is the game board from the Cashflow game designed by Robert Kiyosaki. And as you see in big bold letters right there, the name of the game is Cashflow, because the point that Robert was trying to bring out is that in the financial arena, cash flow, and as I like to call it, residual cash flow, is what life is all about, financially speaking. And this game board is really two games in one, or two different board games in one. This inner circle is what we refer to as the rat race, and then you have this outer board which represents the fast track. And these two boards represent how different people lead their financial lives. The majority of people are stuck in this cycle, what we call the rut, the rat race, the trap of working for money. And on this board you see three yellow squares. These represent paychecks, which represent the cycle of life, that people live from paycheck to paycheck, and they do this month in, month out, year in, year out, many people for 30 or more years, and never discover how to move from this kind of a lifestyle into this fast track lifestyle. Out here is where people have learned how to get money working for them so they can break free of the bondage of working for money. Meanwhile, on this inner board, you see that there's a lot of green squares. Matter of fact, every other one is green. And what Kiyosaki was illustrating there is that while people are doing this routine rut of working for money, there are opportunities all around, but most people haven't been trained how to recognize an opportunity and how to position themselves to prosper from those opportunities. And so, because they haven't been trained, because they don't see the opportunities, they continue in this vicious rat race cycle, trying to get that proverbial cheese when it's all around, and yet they just don't see how to make that happen for themselves. So we are on a mission to educate people that there is a way out of this rut. And if you want out, it's simply a choice. So Kiyosaki is teaching people how to get out of the rat race. And he uses a threefold methodology: think it, learn it, do it. And so we're teaching people how to do that. The learn it portion is how you learn how to exercise what this game board is illustrating so that you can do it in real life. Because once again, just to recap, the name of the financial game is cash flow, residual cash flow, money working for you instead of you working for it.